Apple cider vinegar isn't just for salads. Health experts reveal it can aid weight loss when consumed correctly and at specific times. Here's the science-based guide on how to use apple cider vinegar for weight loss, including the right dosage, timing, and safety tips. Apple cider vinegar has been used for thousands of years to promote health and is considered a natural way to control blood sugar levels. Made from fermented apples by crushing and pressing the liquid, it offers multiple benefits when used properly for weight loss. Here's how apple cider vinegar aids weight loss. When consumed before heavy, carbohydrate-rich meals, it slows stomach emptying and prevents blood sugar spikes. It can help reduce belly fat, which is often difficult to lose even with regular diet and exercise. It also curbs sugar cravings, reducing snacking throughout the day. For weight loss, experts recommend drinking apple cider vinegar before meals rather than at night. The optimal dosage is 15 to 30 milliliters mixed with water, 2 to 3 times daily. That's about 1 to 2 tablespoons per serving. A simple method is adding a spray of apple cider vinegar to a 1.5-liter water bottle and drinking throughout the day. Never consume undiluted apple cider vinegar as it's highly acidic and can damage tooth enamel. Always dilute it in water before drinking. 1 tablespoon contains about 15 milliliters of vinegar with approximately 3 calories and no carbohydrates, making it a low-calorie addition to your routine. Drinking a dose mixed with water before meals can reduce food intake, which directly supports weight loss. While apple cider vinegar has beneficial effects, consume only small amounts daily. Don't exceed 237 milliliters daily for extended periods, as this can lead to low blood potassium levels or osteoporosis. A small amount per day is sufficient for weight loss benefits. Some evidence suggests apple cider vinegar can help reduce belly fat within a week when combined with a balanced diet. Results often appear within a week of consistent use. The key is reducing calorie intake through portion control, which apple cider vinegar supports by increasing satiety. Apple cider vinegar can be an effective weight loss aid when used correctly. Dilute 15 to 30 milliliters in water. Drink before meals 2 to 3 times daily. Never consume undiluted, and don't exceed safe daily limits. While research is still limited on many health claims, the blood sugar control and appetite suppression effects are well documented. Remember, apple cider vinegar works best as part of a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle. Start with smaller amounts to see how your body responds, and always prioritize safety over quick results. Have you tried apple cider vinegar for weight loss? What was your experience? Share your results in the comments below. If this guide helped you understand how to use apple cider vinegar safely for weight loss, give it a thumbs up and share with someone looking for natural weight loss support. Subscribe for more evidence-based weight loss tips and natural health solutions, and I'll see you in the next video.